of. Alright guys, back in the Escalade, gonna do a walk around on a system test here with the Kicker L7s. Got her all shined up, it's a nice day out. Got the fours looking nice and pretty. If you don't know, I got two Kicker L715s in here and a custom box that I still haven't finished making it look pretty. Curved port, double baffled, 45, all fiberglass on the inside on an old school MA 4400. These are at 1 ohm bridged, I want to say, so that's half ohm. So, but still got the stock head unit, which is garbage, but I do have an audio control, so it is up in the voltage. This is the 06 Escalade Platinum with the 24s. The ESV, it's the big one, not the small little one. Alright, let me find, I'll cut you guys back on here in a minute and find some good music that bumps. Too shabby. Alright guys, that's all I'm gonna play for you today on this one. Just simple clip showing them woofers flexing. I'll show you the amp since it's noise out, but if you follow my channel then you know what I got. I got an extra battery under the seat here, got my audio control, LC2I back there. There it is. Let me get you guys a good angle. There's the MA audio. The HK, what the hell, I can't see that. Put it in the description, I should know, but I got too many damn amps. Got a temperature gauge, and it shows you the voltage. Show you guys my excellent volts. Hopefully you can see that. So, yep. Please like my channel and subscribe, guys. I got plenty more cool videos for you to keep you entertained. I did all the lights in here white too. I should have did a video on that, but changed out all these bulbs white, changed the map lights white. So stay tuned, guys.
At me.